to go ahead and put the BUG-atti engine together. Stage 4 cam, pretty much got everything. Buckets, lifters, rocker arms, with the pedestal stand, timing chain, high pressure oil pump, ARP bolts in there, rods, springs, seats and everything. Crank bolt, every gasket I need. Pickup tube, and look who's back. So 6.0 board, pass is 6.2, maybe 379 or whatever. So I still gotta pull that off. So we're gonna be doing the crank today. Top at center, 1 and 6. I think that's 6. So of course all new mains, new cam bearings also. So we're gonna go ahead and get out there and do. This is valve spring compressor. This thing ain't nothing. I used this one on Moon Rock when I was pretty much did all this to that engine too. It ain't nothing but about $20 to $28 at the most. So I got this style because my head's off. If your head's not off, they got one that bolt right here, and then you can work it from there. So this is gonna compress the spring so I can remove it, get the retainers out, and or the keepers, and then I can pull the spring out. This one wasn't that much of a pain this time. I'm glad. I thought, you know, since I'm recording, it's gonna give me problems. And there we go. She on there. Get that out the way. And I'm gonna just keep going down the line on there. So I got my cam all greased down. And this is a stage 4 from Brian Tooley Racing. Okay, so we ran through a whole cycle with 18726543. So 3 is gonna be our last one. So I just got done doing 4, so I was gonna show y'all 3. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it till they get relieved. Let me see. So this one, that's 3. And see how she's moving up. Once she come up right there, hit a little click. Now she ready. So now I'm just gonna torque both of these down, and they should line straight up. You can see that one got in position. Let me hit it with 26 foot-pounds. Dang, it's a hard 26. There she go. Next one. One step closer. Like I said, I need some Tims to set my gear on my oil pump, and I'm gonna prime that up. Other than that, I found some valve covers I like, so I'm not gonna go with the OEM ones. I'll put that on one of the other engines I'm building. So I got 2 more to do. One for the Jeepers Creeper, and then the white bug. So I'm working on like 7 projects right now. But we got the heads on, rocker arms. So pretty much our valve training is done.